Which is our national anthem?
Janagaramana.
Which is our national song?
Vande Mataram.
Which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Which is our national bird?
Peacock.
Which is our national flower?
Lotus.
Which is our national fruit?
Mango.
What is the color of apple?
Leddu.
Name a yellow color fruit.
Mango.
Which is the chief minister of Telangana? Which is the chief minister of Telangana?
Revanth Reddy.
Which is the prime minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
How many days are there in a year?
365.
Good girl. We smell with our
Nose.
which hand do we use to eat?
Lighter.
Good girl. What is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
In which direction sunrise?
East.